This is the video tutorial of replacing front brake pads of Vespa LX 125. Over here, behind this cover, tools required: jack stand for support front part of Vespa, 6mm hex key or Allen key, slotted screwdriver, plier, the new brake pad. The first step is removing the wheel so that we can access the caliper. You may see my tutorial about how to replace front wheel of Vespa LX 125 in this channel. After the wheel have been removed, the first step is removing this cover. We can remove the cover using screwdriver. Next, remove this circlip, removing the fixing pin. Take these leaf springs. We can then pull out the brake pads. The fixing pin, and this is the spring, leaf spring. This is the old brake pad, and this is the new one. We have to push back the piston on both sides so that there will be enough room for brake pad. Push the piston away from the disc brake. On the middle is the disc brake. To remove brake caliper, we have to unfasten two bolts, this and this one, using 6mm hex key. The caliper have been removed from its place. With the piston removed from its place, it will be much easier to push this piston down and this one up, so that there will be enough room to insert the brake pad. I will push the piston using this screwdriver. I have pushed both piston back. Push the piston completely so that it will make it easier to insert the brake pad. Next, put the brake pads on its place. The position will be like this, face on each other. In between will be the disc brake and then the spring. Put the spring first and then insert the fixing pin. The position will be like this. The fixing pin will hold the spring like this. Let's put them all from upside and then the fixing pin and then this one. Push the spring down. Insert the second pad through the bottom. Like this. Put back the sur clip over here. Push like this. Widen this gap so that the disc brakes can be inserted in. Next, put back the caliper over here. There are two bolts over there. The caliper have been installed with bolt over here and the other one over here. Put back this cover. Play brake lever a few times to get braking system work. Brake lever will be very loose at the beginning and it will be getting harder and harder. Next, reinstall the front wheel. You may see video tutorial of removing and installing the front wheel of Vespa LX in this channel. The front wheel have been installed. I found difficulties in pushing back the brake piston. That's why I decided to remove the caliper from its place to make it easier to push the piston back. You may try pushing the piston with the caliper not removed from its place. I hope this video tutorial can help you in replacing the front brake pads of Vespa LX 125. Thanks you for watching.